Great advice for anyone who snores at night. Snoring is a common problem that affects many people. There are many causes of snoring. Many people are chronic snorers while others only snore occasionally. This video can help you understand the causes of snoring and what you can do to put a stop to snoring and restore peace in your home. Most people snore during their deepest sleep while lying on their back. Usually, it is not a problem unless the snoring disturbs their sleeping partner, in which case, they will probably be awakened and be asked to roll on their side. This action is probably the first and oldest cure for snoring. One way to help keep from snoring is to avoid tranquilizers at bedtime. While tranquilizers might help you sleep faster, they will also relax the muscles that hold your nasal passages fully open. They will contract partially, and air will have a harder time getting through, and you will snore. To stop snoring, go on a weight loss regimen if you are currently overweight. Fat is intruding on the available space for your air passages, and those narrower passages are causing you to snore. If you get rid of the fat, your passages will be able to open fully, and you can stop snoring. Believe it or not, you can effectively beat snoring by repeating your vowels a few times a day. What this does is move around muscles in your throat and face, and when these muscles get stronger, your chances of snoring are slim to none. You can do this 3 times a day. As previously revealed, snoring affects all kinds of people. Some people are known to snore chronically while many others may only snore under certain conditions. Use the information and useful techniques from the above video to get relief from noisy, sleepless nights and put a stop to snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.